Hi, my name is Rakesh Kumar. I am from Odisha. I completed my Bachelor of Degree from Roland Institute of Technology in the stream of Computer Science and Engineering in the year of 2024. After completing my graduation, I came here to join full stack development course. In here, I learned the core Java, advanced Java, WebTech and SQL. Core Java is taught by the Vivek sir, Kaushik sir and Pawan sir, and advanced Java is taught by the Ravi sir. WebTech is taught by the Rashma ma'am, and React is taught by the Geeta ma'am and Sivanand sir, and SQL is taught by the Tarun sir and Yogi sir. After completing my all these courses, I added from requirement, and I here grooming session and quantitative aptitude trainings are more helpful for me to crack the interviews. After got the grooming session and aptitude training, I cracked the interview